guys, welcome back to our channel. You already know who we are.
Today we are gonna be vlogging our snow day, and I know we already did a winter day, but guys, literally the Antarctica is coming to Colorado, y'all. And also Ash Trevino is, and I think she's a part of it.
And so basically it's snowing right now, like really hard snow. Like my entire driveway is covered in snow. It's 7:30 on a Friday, and tomorrow it's supposed to snow even more. Let me show you outside.
It didn't snow that much actually yet, but as you can see, it's kind of snowing like a little bit, like right there, but it's not really snowing.
Guys, look, my entire driveway is full of snow, like literally help. So basically tomorrow we're gonna vlog our entire day of spending the entire day inside because of the snowstorm, and we're just gonna do like really fun stuff like making hot chocolate, maybe even dalgona from Squid Game, so stay tuned for that. And you know, just like the normal stuff like playing Roblox. And yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Kind of scared. Oh, bye guys.
So guys, like, it's pretty intense out there, so yeah, but tomorrow's gonna snow a little more. We're just gonna show you what we do, and so we're probably gonna do some challenges, some stuff, and yeah, so let's hop right into it. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, you guys. It's currently 10:30. Yeah, I know. Well, I woke up at 9:30, but like I just didn't get out of bed until like 10:15.
Okay guys, so basically I'm going to my doctor's appointment now, so I'll see you in the car for that, and I will probably see you at my doctor.
I'm gonna do my skincare.
Oh, hell no, man.
TikTok is literally getting banned tomorrow. Okay. That's the lashes. I had to put it like centered or you wouldn't see it. Now I'm done getting ready and I'm gonna change my outfit because I don't want to stay in my pajamas all day. So let's pick out an outfit. Okay, let's change. 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is the fit. It's so cute. Abby, if you're seeing this, I love your jacket. Guys, so I'm not that hungry for food yet, so I'm just gonna drink my hot chocolate that my mom made, and then I'll record again when I'm gonna go make something to eat. So yeah.
Okay guys, so now we're just playing Roblox. I'm playing Free Avenue with Vinny, but I don't know where she went, but anyway. So we'll probably update you in a little bit. The snow it's still snowing, guys, like, but we're probably gonna make cookies later. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see you when we're doing something else. Peace out, bro.
Okay guys, I just ate lunch and I'm gonna go sledding soon, but right now I am playing Roblox with Abby and we're playing Berry Avenue, and Luna is here. Let me go bring her. She does not want to be on camera. Okay guys, me and Abby finished playing Roblox and right now we're gonna make dalgona from Squid Games.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna be making dalgona from Squid Games, and I'm gonna show you how to make it and what the process is of that. So I'm probably not gonna talk, but yeah. So I'm melting the sugar now. Oh my gosh, why is it so bright? It's a new
2,000 years later.
TikTok is officially over. There's nothing left. No more reposting, no more saving edits, no more making get ready with me's, nothing. It's all gone. I lost CapCut because of this. How am I supposed to edit my YouTube videos now? How? Like, I just don't know how to edit with other apps because I grew up on CapCut. I've had CapCut since like 2020. Yeah, 2020. I was an editor when I was born. And now it's just gone. So guys, if you see that our videos are like just really bad in editing, I can't say this online, blame the person that banned TikTok. Yeah, thank you. Have a good night, you guys.